I'm called Tachibana from Japan University. I talk about the association between the IL-39 and psoriasis. IL-39 is a new cytokine first reported in 2015 and is comprised of IL-23, AP19 and Epstein-Barr virus-induced EVR3. The first paper reported that the messenger RNA of IL-23, P90 and EVR3 has been detected respectively in calcium site stimulated with pre-IC. Also, IL-39 has been shown to mediate inflammation and expansion of neutrophils in Lip's model mice. In clinical practice, anti-IL-23 AP19 monoclonal antibodies such as Guselkumab or have a good response to moderate to severe psoriasis patients. So we thought that IL-39 may be involved in pathogenesis of psoriasis, and anti-P19 antibody can bind to both IL-23 and IL-39. Fortunately, the association between IL-39 and psoriasis has not been reported yet. To confirm the IL-39 as a role of IL-39, we focus on normal human calcium site and stimulate the cells with inflammatory cytokine related to psoriasis such as TNF-alpha, IL-70A, interferon gamma, and those combination. We analyze the expression of P90 and EVR3 with real-time PCR and those protein with ELISA. This is the result. Real-time PCR, you can see the expression of both P90 and EVR3, especially when stimulated with triple combination and triple combination is TNF-alpha and IL-70A and interferon gamma high expression. But another triple combination does not express such a high expression. And this expression was suppressed by astaxanthin and vitamin D and dexamethasone, which are used to treat psoriasis. For another reason, dexamethasone did not suppress EVR3. Next, ELISA results keratinocytes produce P90 and EVR3 proteins, especially TNF-alpha attempts to produce the protein, and also pre-IC produce proteins. In summary, we could detect the messenger RNA of P90 and EVR3 from keratinocytes under stimulation with inflammatory cytokine, and they are suppressed by vitamin A, vitamin D, and steroid. And we could detect the protein of P90 and EVR3 from keratinocyte, but we have not succeeded in detecting IL-39 cytokine. The reason is maybe that it is a very small amount of cytokine for the measuring sensitivity, or it's a problem of the measuring kit, or it doesn't form a heterodimer as IL-39 and exists as a monomer or other cytokine. A recent paper reported that IL-39 may be a serotoxic cytokine. So further study of the relationship between IL-39 and psoriasis are necessary. Thank you. Thank you for attention.
Thank you very much. Very many open questions there. So have you tried to use other ligands, PRR ligands, because you have just used poly-IC, which is a TLR3, MDA5 ligand. Have you also thought about other ligands, or have you used other ligands also?
You have used poly-IC
as a stimulus. Have you also used other ligands? No. Other questions? I was wondering so the people who actually for the first time discovered this cytokine, how it is the amount compared to IL-17 and IL-22, which are the main or the known pathogenic cytokines in psoriasis. So what is more or less the relationship between those known cytokines and these relatively new cytokine in psoriasis? Do you know? Do you understand my question? So in psoriasis patients, in the different cytokines that have been known to be IL-17, mostly in IL-22. So the T17 is a very strong pathogenic pathway in psoriasis. And there is this new cytokine, the IL-39. So I was wondering how much of this IL-39 has been reported to be seen in these patients with psoriasis.
I'm co-author of this paper. So far, IL-39 is thought to be a pro-inflammatory cytokine, and also that cytokine have been reported to be associated with SLE, systemic lupus erythematosus. It has been already reported that. And now, recombinant human IL-39 is commercially available. We got it, and we stimulated epidermal keratinocyte with that cytokine. It did not work so far, so no proliferation difference, no pro-inflammatory function difference. So far, we did not find anything. And so two issues. So what's the function of IL-39? So another one, so keratinocytes really express heterodimeric cytokine, IL-39. It might be exist, it might be present, or it might be just monomer style, or unknown new cytokine. So we are not sure now. Thank you.
So the other possibility is that you're doing this in cell culture, so in vitro. So maybe that the microenvironment that you have these particular cell keratinocytes in is not enough to stimulate the amount of or the quality of IL-39 that you actually need. So maybe there's other cells that are needed within this microenvironment in order for you to get what the other authors have seen. And then also too, maybe taking actual solid tissue and staining the solid tissue with the IL-39 antibody first to make sure that this is actually what you're seeing, in human tissue.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Your nice comment, nice suggestion. And we already did immunostaining by using a psoriasis sample, but the antibody was not so good. So we did not get good results so far. So what's the main source of IL-39? We don't know.
Thank you.
But you primarily suppose that it's in keratinocytes. What about the donor compartment? For example, other immune cells? Or taking lysates maybe? You look primarily in supernatants, right? So what about lysates? Maybe it's just intracellular, it's not, which is not...
We already tried that. So we used cell lysate and Western blot and ELISA. We already tried that, but the result was not so good like this.
Just a comment on the IL-39 sensitivity of keratinocytes. Maybe differentiated keratinocytes are more responsive. This is the case with IL-17. And I just have a question. Does EBI3 form heterodimers with any other cytokine? Because the levels of EBI3 compared to IL-23p19 it's widely different, although that could just be the assay. It's 100 times more than the P19.
Yeah, thank you for your nice suggestion, nice question. And we already tried differentiated keratinocytes. So first, we differentiated keratinocytes with high concentration calcium, and then we stimulated cells with IL-39, but the result was the same. So, no response. And EDI3 is a data subunit of IL-12 family cytokine. So it might be IL-27 or it might be IL-35. It might be 39.